How you doing, everybody? I'm changing the door handles assembly for a 2006 Toyota Tundra. What you have to do is you have to take the screws. They're gonna be on top of this cover right here, and they're gonna be like these right here. It's T30 screws. And what you have to do is you loosen this up. This one is going to be connected to this. What you gotta do is just move it, and there are two bolts of 10mm bolt. 10mm bolt right here. They go right there. Okay. The installation is going to be the reverse of installation. So this is the assembly. I'm going to do it in a second. So just to move the knob for the door, what you need to do is you remove this one right here. It goes this way. So what you do is you just take it out with a screwdriver or picker like this, move it out, and you take this out, the key assembly, and you put it back in the new one. This is the old one. That's the broken one right here. Okay, make sure this is good condition. And this one, I changed a few of these. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna install it. It's like a, and you go from outside of the door, and you put it in. You put it in like this. So, sorry. Just try to manage it so you can put it in there. Yeah. So it's gonna be this way. And you lift it up. Make sure you don't hurt that clip that is right there. Okay, now you put the bolts in. Sorry guys, I don't have a tripod. If I did had it, I would show you much better how this goes in. So these 10mm bolts, they go right there. They go right there. You just move this a little bit out the way, and you put it in. So, and you get another one. Another one's right here, and it goes right there. And you can just tighten them up. They don't need to be too much tight. They don't need to be too tight. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, now what you do with this one right here is you push it in here first, and careful, don't break it, and you put this on top of it, just like that. You're gonna do the same thing with the other one. Then sorry about the camera angle. That's it. This is how it's done. Take this, the old one. Okay, now you remove everything out of the way. Make sure it's working. Didn't show. Light is working. Okay guys, to make sure it's working, there's a little tab right here. You can just flick it down, because if you do this, that means it's unlocked. So what you do is you put this back in like this, and now you can see it's working. I'm gonna close it just to make sure it's working. There you go. There you go. So it's working fine. So what you need to do is you put this cover back in here. And you put, so we got this cover right in here. Just make sure it lines up. Lines up. Things line up. Now you go ahead and put this cover. Plastic cover. Okay, the plastic cover goes in just like this. And you line it up also with the rest of the other ones. And you go ahead and put the screws in. Oh no, leave it. Let me get the other T30. So what you do, you go ahead and you just tighten it up. And you do all of them the same thing. You do all of them the same thing and you should be good to go.
Yeah. This.